destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Paul Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Roger. This is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Oh, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Hurry. All recruits to transport. No need for safety gear. It'll be a smooth ride. Ground crews. Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Oh, look at this thing. This X-Wing. It's a Halloween version, black and orange. There's BB-8 up there. You can see the driver, the pilot, and you can see BB-8 on top, moving his head. It's pretty cool. This is really awesome. All right, we're heading into a transporter. Blue lights are blinking. We're about to take off.
Alright, recruits, make sure we're holding on to the silver hand railing and we're turning up there all the time. Good luck out there.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, 9-Num. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, checked.
Blue 5 standing by.
System scan reengage.
Affirmative.
Engage propulsors and hold on, recruits.
More ships. Launch.
Oh wow, we're moving. We're moving.
I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pucara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep it tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual
going
signal.
down.
Are you
Going down
spotting
now, right?
anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check
Heading
it
down.
out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First order TIE fighters. Reroute. Reroute. Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path for transport to make the jump.
More incoming! Blue 5 taking evasive action!
Try to shake your bottle.
I'm trying!
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to drive them away.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Stop.
Never moved this much. Something's going on.
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
All right, we've been
Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
apprehended. We're trapped now.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at
What's
stake.
going on with my gimbal, guys? I'm sorry. This thing is
I
like...
have a bad feeling about
There we go.
this. Stand back from those doors.
Whoa.
Resistance spies! This ship is now under command of the First Order. You will disembark immediately for interrogation. Get out.
Wow. Look at this. Oh my god. So cool. Wow. Oh my god. This place is amazing. Alright. They caught us. They caught us, baby. We're in trouble now. We're gonna have to wait for the resistance to come and save us.
Look at my jacket.
I know that's a disguise. She's a rebel. Oh, who are these guys? Whoa, there's a bunch of them. Not even a smile. We're being taken in for interrogation now. Nothing like being interrogated. Diva's favorite. Diva's favorite ride. Diva, don't tell him anything about our secret base on Picara.
How many behind the two? One.
Two.
Two. So 2, 1, 2, 4. 2, 1, 2, 4. 2, 1, 2, 4. 2, 1, 2. This way. 4. Also come. Are you going 2, 1, 2, 4 along the wall. 4 along the wall. 2. Let's go. Right here behind.
We are being watched.
We're going to have to deal with you 5 days. Why are you here right now? Both lines follow me. Let's go. This line you're waiting there. This line going forward. How many? 2, you're going to be on blue. How many? 1, blue. How many? 2 to red. 2 join on red. 1 join on blue. How many here? 4. 4 to orange.
This guy.
How many? Silver.
You're supposed to be at work right now.
Now, resistance sympathizers, do memorize the color code I have assigned to you. Blue, red, silver, or orange. This color code is vital to your interrogation, so be sure to not forget it. Now, if you have any bags, anything that is over your shoulders, across your body, or around your waist, remove that cargo now. Hold it in your hand. The same thing will go for anything that is on the top of your heads. Hats, sunglasses, rodent ears. Stow them away. Once inside of your cell, you'll find the same color code, and you will stand on it again in the center of the room. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Elijah! Got it? Good. Blue and red, go. Silver, orange, follow them in.
Yeah, Elijah, lock in.
That's orange.
I'm not starting off well.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Ooh, now's our chance. We've been left alone. Huh? Oh, they're opening it up.
Let's go quickly. Quickly Blue front, red back. Silver orange on the other side. Silver front, orange back.
Ben, we have the recruits. Wait, you're still here? Poe's coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now.
Star Pod is your program to help you escape. We have any questions? Questions, all right? I'm putting you two in charge, okay?
Okay. Take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Whoa! They're shooting at us. Oh, look at the holes he made.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Oh, yeah, ass. Whoa.
Take cover, recruits!
Whoa, first time we go this way.
If anyone's backing a blast off, now's a good time.
Oh yeah, we did this once.
The escape pods, just boss!
You guys over there?
Why are you going?
Whoa! Oh my god! Woo! Oh my god! They're shooting at us again! There's a handle here.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction.
Oh, that's not us.
Fields. I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Stop! The prisoners have escaped!
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
It's not working. It's not working. His lightsaber broke. See if the cannons work. They're not moving. They're not shooting. Cannons are messed up. Okay, Gimbo. You can do this. My Gimbo is suffering right now.
Attention, all resistance personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This destroyer is about to...
There's no escape.
Oh, there he is.
Leave the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
He's toast. Let's go. Oh my god, the escape pod. We made it. Oh my god! It's like Tower of Terror. Oh my god! Whoa, it's a bumpy ride. Woo! Oh man. I was bouncing a lot today, man. Guy didn't even talk to us this time.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, scout for his pod beacon.
Eyes on Beck. Where's Beck?
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification.
There's our R5. We have our own R5 now. He works at the Coca-Cola stand. He also works over here.
We're tracking Beck's pod at the wreckage.
Come on, R5.
Wreckage? I got a bad feeling about
Yeah,
this.
that's where we're going.
No, sir, he came down at the wreckage.
Oh, there's Lieutenant Beck. Eyes on Beck.
He was the backbone of this operation.
Marky and Eva got eyes on Beck. Come in, base. Come in.
Should have waited for him.
Sir.
There he is, Beck, the owner of a beer empire.